In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to a specific message on Slack. If you're new to Slack or simply want to enhance your experience, understanding how to direct replies can be incredibly helpful in keeping conversations organized and clear. So, let's dive right into it. First, open the Slack application on your device. This can be your desktop application or via your web browser depending on your preference. Once you're in, make sure you're logged into your work or community space where you want to reply to a message. You should see your usual channels and direct messages listed on the left side of the screen. Navigate to the channel or conversation where the message you want to reply to is located. It's important to ensure that you're in the right group or direct message thread to avoid any confusion later. As you scroll through the messages, find the specific message to which you would like to reply. Hover your cursor over this message and you'll see a series of icons appear on the right side of the message bubble. One of these icons will look like a speech bubble with lines inside it, which represents a reply or comment option. Click on this icon. This action will open a thread on the right-hand side of your screen. Threads are a fantastic way to maintain the flow of conversation without interrupting the main chat. Threads help to keep discussions grouped together and ensure that your replies are contextually linked to the original message. In the thread pane, you'll notice a text box at the bottom where you can type your reply. Go ahead and start typing your response to the specific message. Take this opportunity to be clear and direct, as threading a reply marks it as a continued conversation on a particular topic or point. Once you're satisfied with your reply, press the Enter key or click on the paper plane icon to send it. Your reply is now added to the thread, linked directly to the original message. Other members of the channel will see your reply and can join the thread to provide additional comments or insights if needed. Remember, replying in threads is an effective way to ensure that communications remain focused and relevant, especially if multiple conversations are happening simultaneously in a busy channel. Slack will also notify you about new replies in threads you're involved in, so you don't miss any updates or follow-up discussions. And there you have it. You now know how to reply to a specific message using threads in Slack efficiently. This simple skill can greatly enhance your Slack experience by helping keep conversations neat, organized, and easy to follow. Keep practicing and exploring more of what Slack has to offer to make your communication and collaboration seamless. Thank you for tuning in, and happy Slacking.